No one. No one loved me like you did, even when I made you late, even when I didn't love myself enough to be honest, though, to be honest, that was touch and go. You even may have loved me enough to fill the 12-year void between us, though we did not plan to love a love to survive the loss. I didn't mean to lose you. You didn't mean to get lost. You tried. How you tried to stay is certainly not for lack of effort. I want to dance in the kitchen and maybe stay awake when you drive, even if you tell me you don't mind. I don't want to walk the suspension bridge again, unless you are at the end of it. For that, I could be brave. To clip myself on and off the cable, even if I cried, I would do it. But now, only poetry will bridge the gap. Though I fear the test is not to hang on, it is to let go and let gravity have its way with us, to let the water take us where it will, to surrender when I can no longer see you with my eyes, and I can only depend on my heart to keep track of your whereabouts. Trust is what is left when you've lost, that continual orbit that will someday, eventually, find us back together.